Use Velcro around the house. Velcro is a wonderful invention because it effectively fastens things together, yet it can be easily removed when needed. It's easy to use Velcro. You can buy Velcro strips in stores and sew or glue these strips to objects around the house. Use Velcro to put things together. Objects that are used together, such as a notepad and pen, a remote control and a TV, a pair of walkie-talkies, etc., may be put together with the use of Velcro. Attach Velcro strips to each object and stick them together. This prevents losing an item without needing to tie them together. Use Velcro to hold a group of objects. If you have a collection of lightweight items such as drawing tools, pictures, keys, toys, and the like, stick them to Velcro. Place Velcro somewhere on the item so that they may be placed against a wide strip of Velcro. This is useful if you intend on displaying it on the wall and you don't like the items to fall on the floor. Velcro can hold a rug or carpet in place. If you have problems with rugs or carpets that constantly go out of place, use Velcro to stick them to the floor. Sew Velcro strips to the fabric and glue Velcro strips to the floor. Hold down an unruly tablecloth with Velcro. Prevent the tablecloth from being pulled, moved, or blown by the wind. Attach the tablecloth to the table underneath using Velcro. Attach cushions to the chair. If you don't want seat cushions to slip and go out of position, use Velcro to fix them to the chair. This is helpful especially upon reclining chairs, as their cushions often slide down. Hang objects with Velcro. Attach objects such as light furniture, whiteboards, corkboards, and picture frames to the wall with Velcro strips. Don't worry about ruining your wall, because Velcro adhesive can be removed easily by scrubbing it with soap and water. Close curtains with Velcro. Use Velcro to shut curtains and keep it shut, may it be curtains hanging on the windows or shower curtains. Glue Velcro strips on the walls and on the edges of the curtains to keep them at the desired place. You may use a Velcro strip to tie a curtain. Hold wires together. Cell phone chargers with long wires often have Velcro to bundle the wire together. Use Velcro to hold long wires and prevent accidents. Velcro doesn't conduct electricity, so it's safe to use on electrical wires. Use Velcro for clothes and shoes. Sew Velcro on clothes that need fastening to replace the function of buttons and zippers. This is especially helpful for little children and other people who have trouble dressing themselves up. Use Velcro on shoes for easy wearing and removal. You can use Velcro on a lot of things around the house. Look around and observe what needs fastening and tying together. Remember that you can't use Velcro on everything. Check first whether the Velcro can carry the object safely.